Yeah, so welcome to the first part of this course today. As you all know, my name is Sam Peters. I am your host. I am your trainer for this mentorship, for this course. Like I told you, everything you're going to be needing for understanding the way I trade and the way the market runs will be provided in this series of mentorship. Okay, so I would like to welcome you again. Thank you for patronizing me. Thank you for buying my course. This is because you want me to grow and you are supporting the business. I really do appreciate, and I pray for understanding for you guys so you can be able to make good use of these materials. Thank you once again. So we are going to be looking at what is order flow. All right, so and trend. So order flow, trend, everything together. So order flow is basically nothing but how the market works, like the ebbs, the flow of the market. And you cannot understand order flow if you don't know what is trend. Okay, if you understand market trend and what they are doing, then it is easy for you to be able to know what it is. Okay, so trend, the market moves in three ways. Okay, the market moves in only three ways. The market moves in three ways. The market moves only in three ways. Nothing more, nothing more, nothing more than this. The market moves in three ways only. Number one, the market can be an uptrend, two, the market can be a downtrend, three, the market can be sideways. So these are basically the three ways the market moves, nothing more, nothing less. So in a more clearer term, the market can either go up, the market can go down, or the market can go sideways. All right, I'm telling you what order flow is. So the market flows in three ways. You can just say the market moves in only three ways, or you can say the market flow is in three ways. Okay, so these are the market flow. The market is either going up, let me reduce this guy, let's reduce this one. So the market is either going up or down or sideways. Okay, the market is either going up or is going down or is going sideways. So market up, or down, or sideways. Simple. Are you getting me? The market is either going up or down or sideways. So you can call it uptrend. Uptrend, downtrend, and sideways. I don't know if you understand up to this point. Do you understand up to this point now? So the market is either up, down, or sideways. All right. Since you've gotten that, now let us do something now about what is an uptrend. So what is an uptrend? Number one in this number one, okay, let's say the order flow basics, right? The order flow basics, the order flow basics, and just like we say up, down, sideways. So we are looking at number one now. We want to look at number one, so what is an uptrend? It's good I'm typing like this. I don't but for us to make it speed, next time I'll just make sure that everything is written down. I'll just read, but it's good for it to be like this so that you can know, you can just follow. Okay, oh, no problem. We are going to make it much more faster. So I know not everyone is expecting me to do it like this. Okay, but just bear with me. Let's go like this. So what is an uptrend? So an uptrend is basically a price movement that has consecutive higher highs and higher lows. Okay, a market making series of higher highs and higher lows is considered to be an uptrend. Okay, a market making series of higher highs. Is this higher? Okay, higher highs, series of higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so this is what an uptrend is. This is what an uptrend is. Okay, when a market or an asset, okay, when a market or an asset keeps making series of higher highs and higher lows. So that is what an uptrend is. Okay, so by drawing, this is what I mean. The market makes a high, right? Makes a high, makes a low, then this low breaks this high. See this high here? This high is broken, so we now call this new high. Now this particular one, this is a higher high because this high is higher than this high, right? So the market goes down and creates a higher low, but just know that this low now cannot go below this low. That means it cannot go below this one. So the low will be somewhere here. Okay, and then the low moves to break this new higher high. So when price breaks this one, what do you now call it? It's a higher high because the high now is higher than this high. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So price makes a low. I believe you understand. So let's move faster. It makes another high, makes a low, makes a high, makes a low, right? Don't worry, when we get into the depth of this, we will understand it. Looking at it from various time frames and all of that, you will see the potency of what I'm saying. But this is the foundation of forex. What I'm doing right now is nothing but the foundation of forex. If you don't know this and you are trading the market, you should stop. Okay, if you don't understand this and you are trading the market, you should what? Just stop until you master this. So this is basically it, right? So the market is breaking highs. Okay, all right, you see that? You see? So these are highs that the market is breaking. Now this is a high, this place here, this one is a high, this one is a low, right? Now this one now is now a higher high, right? And this one is a higher low. I don't know if you understand. This one is higher high because the high here is higher than this high. This one is a higher low here because the low here is higher than this low. Okay, so we move. This is also a higher high, and then this one is a higher low. This is a higher high, and then this one is a higher low. This is a higher high, and this one is a higher low. All right, so like that. So I will still show you how these things are broken. Okay, so this is a higher high, this is a higher low. So I just want to give you the full introduction of what this is. We'll soon go into the chart and look at it properly, but I want to fully introduce what this is so that you can know what I'm talking about, so that when you go to the chart, it is not going to look clean like this. Of course, on the chart it's a little bit more complex. Okay, on the chart, when you see it on the chart, it's a bit more complex. It is not going to be looking like this. Okay, so this, right, this is an uptrend. This is an uptrend, and you need to learn to flow with this. When I begin to teach how to do entries, okay, there is a course coming up. It's called Sweet Spot MAs and Entries. So once we get to that point, I will show you how to enter the market, and then how not to enter. All right, so but just get this at the back of your mind that this is an uptrend. So now we are going to be going into what is a downtrend. Okay, what is a downtrend? What is a downtrend? What is a downtrend? Very important. Well, if you are new to the forex market and you have not understood this one, I'm not actually going back to the main basic. I have basic course already, but this one is for people who are already trading the forex market. Okay, so it's for people who are already trading the forex market and want more exposure. Okay, so what is a downtrend? What is a downtrend? So in that case, we'll say a market or an asset. Well, let's do it in the next video. Okay, my recording is almost done. We'll come back again in the next video.